For comparing and ordering integers. Our objective is to use the order of operations to simplify numerical expressions. So what is a numerical expression first off? It is something that is made up of numbers and operations. So we're going to have ones, twos, threes. We're also going to have plus, minus, multiplication, and division. What are the order of operations? They are PEMDAS. So let's get in here and go some more of these. First, pins. Okay, let's get a different color in here. So what is this? What does this stand for? You guys should have seen this before, but we have parentheses. We have exponents. We have multiply, division, addition, and subtraction. Now, if you guys need to pause this and write this down for your notes, because you do need to have all the stuff that I put on here, please do so. So what does this stand for? What does it mean? It means that whenever we have a problem, say 2x squared plus 3, actually that one might be a little more complicated than I was thinking. Let me get rid of it. Go back to pins. Say we have 2 squared plus 3, and then we'll put a 5 on here to multiply. We want to do parentheses first. So we come inside the parentheses and we say, well, what's in here? I have an exponent and I have an addition. Well, which one of them comes first in PEMDAS? Exponents comes first. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to have 5 parentheses. This will be 2 squared, which is 4, plus 3. Well, I still haven't finished out the parentheses, so I have to finish the parentheses. 4 plus 3 is 7. So now I get 5 times 7, or 5 times 7. Is 35. I can actually put my equal sign on each one of these. And you just go through that. Now the thing that you have to remember is multiplication and division, you can do these at the same level. So if you have 2 divided by 1 times 3, first you have to do 2 divided by 1, which is 2. Then you can do 2 times 3 because you have to go from left to right because these are of equal value. Same thing with addition and subtraction. If you have 6 minus 2 plus 4, first you have to do the subtraction because it's on the left side. So 6 minus 2 is 4, plus 4, and you get 8 there. So let's go through some of our examples. In example 1, we are using the order of operations. So do we have any parentheses? No. Exponents? No. Multiplication or division? We do. So that's the first thing we do. Since this is addition and subtraction, I'm going to leave it. I have 27. Let me change colors on that pen. I have so the 27's left. Minus, I haven't changed this, so I'm doing the 18 divided by 6, which is 3. 27 minus 3 is 24. Let's do another one.
Oh, 24.
Again, parentheses, I don't have any. Exponents, I don't have any. Do I have any multiplication or division? Once again, I have multiplication and division here. They are the same value, so I'm going to go from left to right with those. I'm not using the 36. I have 18 divided by 2, so minus 9. I haven't used the times 3 yet, so it's still here, plus 8. Well, now I have multiplication, so I have 36. Negative, or 9 times 3 is 27, because we haven't dealt with negatives yet. Plus 8. 30. Now I have subtraction and addition, again same value, so I start on the left and go to the right. 36 minus 27 is 9. I have not used the plus 8, so it's still out here. Now I have 9 plus 8 is 17. Do I have any parentheses in this last one? No. Do I have any exponents? Yes, I have exponents. So that's the first thing I have to do. The exponent's on the 6, so that means this does not get used. I have 5 plus 6 squared is 36 because this is the same thing as 6 times 6. I have not used the times 10. Now, going down my list. I've already gone through exponents. I have multiplication and division. I do have that here. Nice thing is we're multiplying by 10, so that means I just add a 0 on here. So 5 plus 360. And then 5 plus 360 is 365, which, by the way, is how many days we have in a year. Now, let's go down to example 2. Again, we are going through our order of operations. It says to simplify. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. We have them right here. So again, we have not used the 36 yet. Minus, well, 2 times 6 is 12, divided by 3. I have division here. That trumps your subtraction. So I have 36 minus 12 divided, not multiplied. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 36 minus 4 is 32. So now we have another problem over here. If you look, we have two different kinds of parentheses. We actually have parentheses, and we have what's called brackets. They are of equal value, but you have to go inside the brackets to get to the parentheses. So you just keep going inside till you get to the end of those parentheses. You would normally do square bracket, parentheses, and if you had any more, it'd be square bracket, parentheses, and you just go back and forth. So do we have any parentheses of any sort? Yes, we do. So we go inside the bracket. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we have more parentheses. So that's what I'm going to deal with first. My bracket stays out here. And I go inside and I say, do I have any exponents? No. Do I have any multiplication or division? Yes, I do. So that's what I do first. Again, I haven't used the 4. So I have 4 plus 12 divided by 4 is 3 minus 2. Close my square bracket and put my 3 up here. Still not finished with the parentheses. So I come down. 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 2. Once I've finished out those parentheses, I can just get rid of them. Keep going. Now I have a subtraction inside this bracket. 7 minus 2 is 5, square bracket. This is cubed, so now I can use my exponents. 5 cubed. It's the same thing as 5 times 5 times 5. So this is 25. 5 times 25 is 125. So our answer is 125. Okay, let's go ahead and do example 3, career application. Maria works part-time in a law office where she earns $20 per hour. The table shows the number of hours she worked last week. Simplify the expression 6 plus 5 times 3, in parentheses, times 20 to find out how much money Maria earned last week. So Monday was 6 hours, Tuesday 5 hours, Wednesday 5 hours, Thursday 5 hours, so that you can tell where they got their information. So what we have here is she worked 6 hours on Monday, and then she worked 3 sets of 5 hours, which is why we have the multiplication here of 3 times 5. And then we want to find out how much she made in total, and she makes $20 an hour, so that's right here. So first parentheses, then we go multiplication or division, so this will be 6 plus 15 times 20. 6 plus 15 is 21 times 20. So 21 times 20, 2, 4, and add that 0 back in. So we get $420 for that week. Our homework for section 4 is on page 21. We're going to do 8 through 17, 23 through 46, 23 through 26. 23 through 26, and 43 through 47. So starting with number 8, it asks, simplify each expression, use the order of operations to justify your answer. So we have 3 plus 7 times 5 minus 1. So what does it mean to justify on this? Well, it just says what did we use whenever we're going through this. So what did we do? So first, do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? No, we don't. So we are going to do multiplication and division first, which we have right here. So 3 plus 35 minus 1. So we simply state that. We multiply. Then we're going to do addition and subtraction, which goes from left to right. 3 plus 35 is 38. We haven't used the 1 out here, so we added. So we did addition. And 38 minus 1 is 37, so we did subtraction. And we've justified to find our answer.